Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to repair bad sectors in Windows 7. Close any open files on the affected disk drive. Now, click on the Start button and go to My Computer. Right-click on the affected disk drive and choose Properties from the floating menu that appears. The Property windows will then appear on your screen. Click on the Tools tab. Click on the Check Now button. Place a check mark within the box next to the Scan for and attempt recovery of bad sectors. Click on the Start button to repair bad sectors on the affected disk drive. This procedure may take several minutes depending on the size of the disk drive you are repairing. When you are repairing, the process has finished, Windows will notify you that the bad sectors have been repaired. This is how we can repair bad sectors on Windows 7.